in the channel Zero to Infinity. This is the journey with Praful Davi. This is our legal disclaimer. Kindly read it once. Thanks, friends, for your kind affection and the suggestions. Hope you have read the legal disclaimer and enjoyed the episode number 1, 2, and 3. And also working on its free of cost yet very powerful logical techniques for your own benefit. Episode number 1 and 2 in the nutshell are: technique 1 is do the Ujjayi breathing or the oceanic breathing or the victorious breathing. This is the use of the available energy to fight corona and the COVID-19. The energy is equivalent to the body electricity which regulate our body, or the chi energy which is described in the Chinese ancient traditions. Technique 2 is the do Indian yogic technique named the Bhastrika breathing or the bellow breathing. This will generate the energy. The generation of the energy will be there to fight the corona and the COVID-19. Technique 3 is do Indian yogic technique Anulom Vilom breathing or the alternate nostril breathing. This will stabilize and digestion of the energy will be there in your breathing system to fight with the corona and the COVID-19. Dear friends, if you want to see it in the detail, kindly refer the old episode. You will certainly get benefited by it. Many of the institutions, companies and the governments are doing very good efforts to fight with the corona and making their medicines. The efforts are in a very right direction, but we have to clearly think whether the efforts are for the saving humanity or the efforts are for the mere profit and the political gain. I once again say, kindly think about it. The first fire invented by the human is free of cost nowadays. The first wheel invented by the human is free of cost and not patented. The life is beyond profit and the political gain. We have to still miles to go for complete treatment and make it available to the last COVID-19 patient. The richer segment will get the vaccination and the medicine very soon. But what about the last person? What about the developing countries? What about the undeveloped countries? Whether they will just at the mercy of the God? No, certainly not. That's why I once again request, kindly think beyond the profit making and beyond the political gains. And these free of cost techniques will certainly help you, my dear friends, my dear humans. Now this is the technique number 4. Use the natural herbs or the immunity booster vegetarian foods described in your ancient traditional naturopathy medicine system, like the Ayurveda in the India, with the generated energy. And what is the meaning of the energy? Body electricity, chi energy. I will once again read: natural herbs, immunity booster, vegetarian foods described in your ancient traditional naturopathy. Okay, it is just impossible that you do not know any immunity booster food suggested by your own religion, your own forefathers, your own tradition. You know better than me. The African know about their own African medicine system. The Greek person is knowing about their own medicine system. The Islamic persons are known than mythological or the Islamic medicine things. The Chinese tradition is knowing about their own Chinese traditions. And the effect is, or the concept is, herbal or the immunity booster vegetarian foods effect will be multifold with the increase in the energy. As the energy level will be the increase, the effect of that vegetarian food will be multifold. If that particular herb is for the good for the stomach, the effect will be multifold. If that is good for the eye, the effect will be multifold for the eyes. But nowadays we have to think about the corona only, and whichever is the immunity booster foods is there, kindly consume it with the increased energy level, which is described how to generate the energy. There are the thousands of the methods are there. We have shown just one of the methods. and the effect will happen if you do it. Almost all the ancient civilization like the India, Greece, Chinese, Egypt, Korean, Mayan, Arabian, African, etc. have the herbal food described in their traditions. This may also called folk medicine, dietary therapy, naturopathy, organic food system, etc. Some of the examples are like Indian Ayurveda, Chinese herbology, traditional Korean medicine system, Arabian indigenous medicine, Islamic medicine, Japanese Kampo medicine, Mayan plant and the herbal medicine, etc. All the ancient civilization of the world were very much related with the energy levels. They had energy level of very high level, and we will see the concept in the details. We will just see a small video of the 2 or 3 minutes which will show how these ancient civilization or the energy techniques will help us to cure the simple day-to-day problems.
Let's talk about traditional Chinese medicine for a minute. Traditional Chinese medicine, also known as TCM, has been around for several thousand years. It includes a number of different modalities, including acupuncture, massage, qigong, and herbal medicine. In contrast to Western medicine, where we tend to focus on things like surgery and, say, antibiotics for infections or acute illness, traditional Chinese medicine tends to focus on prevention. In fact, some traditional Chinese doctors only got paid if their patients stayed well, a big contrast in the US. How does it work? Well, in traditional Chinese medicine, it's felt that the body consists of a number of energy channels called meridians. They run along the body, and when that energy gets blocked in those meridians, that's when illness is felt to develop. Traditional Chinese medicine is often used for chronic symptoms. Let's take headaches, for example. Western doctors tend to treat headaches with medications, but sometimes they stop working. In traditional Chinese medicine, interventions like acupuncture and herbs can often be really helpful for chronic headaches. In fact, a recent study at Duke University showed that 65% of people getting acupuncture had an improvement in their headaches. A great result. I often refer my patients for traditional Chinese medicine, especially when they're dealing with chronic symptoms that aren't getting better with Western therapies. Traditional Chinese medicine and other alternative therapies tend to focus on wellness, and that's great medicine.
How the ancient civilization can help us nowadays. And as mentioned in the technique number 4, that any natural herb or the immunity booster, vegetarian food or the organic supplement will work. The origin of the food must be natural, not in the laboratory. Again repeating, the food which I am mentioning with these energy methods, that should be natural one only. Synthetic and the man-made food which has been made in the laboratory will not do work on it. The medical treatment through energy or the body electricity or the chi energy is greater than the Ayurveda. Ayurveda is greater than the homeopathy. Homeopathy is greater than the allopathy, and the allopathy is just greater than no treatment at all. I will show it in the coming concept episodes in the future. And some of the people will cure themselves with the energy only, and some of the people will require the immunity booster food plus energy. It will all depend on the amount of the energy acquired. If you will do and dedicated yourself more for these energy techniques, you will cure yourself without any other thing, any other allopathy, any other food which I am describing. But if there is an energy crisis is there, then kindly take the food plus energy so that you can cure yourself very much fast. And the utilization of the ancient healing science like the Ayurveda to fight with the corona or the COVID-19. And this is the reason that almost all the spiritual leader, religious leader of any religion promotes herbal medicine and the food with their own spiritual practices, because they want to make a healthy body with the full immunity without sickness, so that the human can go to the spiritual journey further. Again repeating, we are just at the middle of the evolution race. As per Darwin theory, we have rise from the fish, reptiles, etc. But still miles to go. There is journey balance among with the humanity. Any natural vegetarian food which do not create threat to any living being, because energy or the body electricity is same in all the creatures including plants. Only the quantum of the energy and the purity of the energy will differ among all the creatures of the universe. I will read it once again. Every word is very important, dear friends. Any natural vegetarian food which do not create threat to any living being, because energy is same in all the creatures includes plants. Only the quantum of the energy and the purity of the energy will differ among all the creatures of the universe. For mere food only we cannot threat the other creatures of this earth. The planet earth is for all. It's not possible that fish will get threatened by the humans. Human is the king of all the creatures. Yes, I agree. But we have to take care, we have to cooperate with other species to grow up. And we will see a very small video regarding the evolution of the humanity. It is very brief, but still I want to share it so that we can think the common features, the common energy among all the creatures of this planet Earth. Kindly see the video. Evolution of the fish. Evolution of the reptile. Stone Age, Metal Age, development of the human civilization, rise of the human civilization, geographical discoveries, evolution of the science, and now the time of the destruction we have seen in the World War I and II and the Iran-Iraq war. And this is the search of the new planets after destroying our earth. Very shameful. Video which describes that the energy is same in all the creatures. That's why the king human is to take care of their subordinate creatures also. These are some of the examples are there, like the turmeric milk or the golden milk. You can consume the honey, the herbs described in your nation, any nation, herbs described in your ancient mythologies like the Greece, Chinese, Sumerian, Islamic countries. Even we can find some of the organic herbs in our kitchen also. There are the spices which are very good for the immunity, and these are the healing herbs and the natural healing through nature. And one very small concept, not the concept but a time tested on myself, that kindly consume the natural vitamin C food. It is not the natural, synthetic laboratory made vitamin C is not good for our health. Consume the natural vitamin C food in the good quantity. It will work very effectively to increase immunity and will result victory over the corona and the COVID-19. Hope the France will export the oranges and lemon type citrus fruits from the lemon festival of the mansion to whole world to fight against corona and the COVID-19. And dear friends, this is the summary. Technique 1, do the Ujjayi breathing, use of the available energy. Technique 2, do the Bhastrika or the bellow breathing. This will generate the energy to you to fight with the corona. Technique 3 is do the Anulom Vilom breathing or the alternate nostril breathing. This will stabilize and digest the generated energy. And the technique 4 is use the traditional vegetarian food or the herbs like the Ayurveda with the generated energy. These techniques looks very simple, but yet very powerful in the results. If you do it, if it is just information for you, there are the thousands, billions and the millions of the videos are there. But if you will act on this video, then certainly the corona will very far away of you. And dear friends, knowing is very good, but doing is always better and the best. Corona or the COVID-19 series episodes will be continued in the future also. The Armageddon against the negative energy Corona-19 will be certainly won by the humanity. The Titanic of the humanity will not sink this time 101%. The Ark of the Noahs will very soon touch the earth once again after the catastrophic situation of the corona. If there is any kind of the questions, doubts, feedbacks, suggestions or the critics are there, that can be sent at the dabi.praful@gmail.com. Any kind of the questions related with the any dimension of the humanity can be asked by you, thinking I'm just a friend of you. Whether you are the Homer Simpson are there or the Sindbad Jahaji from the South Pole, whether you are the Dr. Minnie Mouse from the North Pole, you may be any person, any human across the globe, you can just feel free to talk to me. I will do my the best to cure your problem. I will attend it in my coming episodes or personally. Thank you very much, dear friends, for watching. Happy times and good day, dear friends. I, Praful Dabi, bow to you.